This video will be a review of the Syncwire magnetic car mount for dashboard. Alright, so I've got one of these, and this actually works okay in this car, but the Mustang GT and the Thunderbird doesn't really have a good location for doing something like that. So when Syncwire offered to send this to me in lieu of review, I was like, yeah, sure, that'd be great, because I could actually use it. So let's unbox it real quick. Oh, these are the rings that go inside your phone case in case your case is not magnetic. Okay, so let's see what we got. A little ball mount. Oh, okay, so it actually has a release and lock on here. There we go. Fits real good and tight. Okay, so my first step is going to be this. Bye-bye. Second step, looks like we got to clean the plastic on where it's going to go, and then just simply stick it on there. So guess I need to figure out exactly where I want it at, right? So I don't want it to block my field of vision all that much, you know what I mean? Right there. I kind of like it right there. What do you think? I think that might work. Squeaky, squeaky, squeak. And then we'll pop you on here. Like so. Okay, and then of course attach the ring to wherever you want it on the phone. Okay, we'll go ahead and clean this off. Okay, then we'll just stick this on somewhat centered. Good. Forgot I had this stuck on there. Now then, we just put that on and tighten that down, and there we go. Way better than the other one. I like this. Okay, so if you want to relocate it, let's see what happens here. Peel it slowly. Ah, that's awesome. Didn't damage the trim. Okay, one important note. If you use inductive charging or wireless charging, this will make that not happen. The metal on it will affect the inductive charging. So ultimately, I took it out of my car, and put it on my wife's Thunderbird. She's got one of those knob things on the back to hold it, which this fits around. And she does not use inductive charging. She always plugs her phone in because she has that knob on there, which messes that up anyway. So anyway, just wanted to make a note about that. If you try to use inductive charging, it will not work with that metal piece on there. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.